Hi guys, My Tech Talks back again with another video, and today I want to talk about the Dell XPS 15, the 2021, the 9500. Got a few problems with it, and I'm doing a video today about all the problems I have with this laptop. And what's going to happen is I'm going to go through this list and tell you all the things that are wrong with it, and I'm going to send it back and I'm going to get a replacement based on these problems, and these are legit problems, like really important these are. So the first one is the speakers. Now these speakers have blown. All they produce is a really high frequency noise. Now let me just play a song on Apple Music, but you're not going to be able to hear it. Here we go. This is on 50% volume, and that's the only thing that it produces. Basically sounds really bad, and the speakers are a bit fried. So as you can see, I've clicked on a song that's only on 50%. If you've got your headphones on, you might want to take them off actually. And just to prove to you it's not just Apple Music, I'm going to go onto YouTube right now. I've got a Dua Lipa on, Levitating, and I'm not going to get a copyright on this because I can't play the sound. Well, I hope I don't. So there you go. The music video is playing, 100% brightness, 50% volume, and if you couldn't hear that already, it's really bad. Now you might be thinking, oh, hang on a second, maybe it's just you got a bit of a glitch. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into Netflix, and this, I don't really need to prove my point here, but I'm going to do it anyway. So I'm going to go into Netflix right now, just going to put on a Doctor Who episode or something like that, and we're going to go, oh, there we go. You can clearly hear I'm on the home screen and it's making that noise, so I don't need to play Doctor Who. But why don't we do it anyway and see what happens. I'm on Series 6, Episode 5 of the Doctor Who, or whatever it's called, something like that. So, Wi-Fi. Yeah, obviously, as you can hear right here, there's a bit of a problem with the noise. And that's the problem I have with the speakers. Now, if I plug my headphones in, in the headphone jack, the 3.5mm jack, it does the exact same thing. Now, this only happened when I did a software update on this laptop. It was a Windows software update. I don't know exactly which one it was, but after the software update, the headphone jack just stopped working, and this stopped working, and I was like, I can't do any YouTube videos, so how am I supposed to do this? Or I can't listen to anything. So I use my Bluetooth, and that's another thing that I'm going to speak about right now. The Bluetooth is not consistent. It keeps on going on and off all the time, like it's really weird. Now this is just on my device. Your device might be fine and everything, but my particular model, the 9500, I got this in July, I think, June or July. There's a link down below for the unboxing video if you want to check that out, and check out the links below for the laptop on Amazon. Yeah, so the Bluetooth is not consistent. It keeps on going on and off, kind of like this does. Like, it's really unreliable. I'm a bit disappointed considering it was £2,000 really. As well, when you're charging the device, I'll just close it quickly. These LEDs right here, I don't know if you can see them, but there's 5 LEDs right there, okay? Now, if I was Dell, like, I don't know if these are broken or anything, but the problem I'm having is when you plug it in, it just produces a white light, and that's it. Like, it doesn't tell you if it's on 20, 40, 60, 80, 100%. Now there's 5 individual LEDs there, so why, Dell, are you just giving me a white light? Wouldn't it be better if you just, on 20% have 1 on, then 40% 2, and then 3 for 60%, and 4 for 80%, and then 5 for 100%, so I know where it is, so I don't have to open up my laptop to check the battery life. And also another little thing I've realized, the face login, Windows Hello, it's unreliable most of the time. So personally, I just kind of stick to the fingerprint sensor because it's a lot quicker. But in daylight, clear daylight and no reflections at all, the face login, the Windows Hello, it works perfectly well, so that's good. But any other lighting, it just doesn't work as well. So Touch ID, the fingerprint sensor, is much more reliable. I have another problem with my S10 Plus. I know it's not particularly a huge problem, but I thought I might as well mention it. When you plug in the phone to charge the phone, if you don't have an outlet if you don't want to charge your phone via the outlet, and you just want to plug your phone in to charge it because it's a Thunderbolt 3 port, and you think, oh, fast charging the phone, that should be capable of doing that. Not on this laptop, unfortunately. It does charge at a fast speed, I'd say around 10-12 watts, I'd say, via my, S10 Plus that I'm filming on right now. But unfortunately, when you plug it in, it just kind of doesn't say the fast charging thing on the S10 Plus. It just says charging, and it tells you the time. And unfortunately, on Macs, on this laptop, it just doesn't fast charge my phone. And sometimes I'm out and I'm like, that's not very convenient, because I don't really want to bring a power bank with me. I'd rather just take the laptop with me, got everything on the laptop, and then if I need to, plug the phone in via the USB-C port, fast charge the phone. That would be super convenient, but unfortunately on this laptop you can't do it. But you can do that on the Macs, which is super convenient. Next thing, the wobbly trackpad. So if you can hear this, let me bring the microphone up quickly. That is the sound of the wobbly trackpad. This is in my other video. Damn, I need to cut my nails. They're a bit long. I should have done that before the video. Oh well. So as you can hear, the wobbly trackpad is still there. I'm going to be returning this laptop, and I will be getting a replacement. So that's pretty much all for this video, guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos coming up. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.